everybody, welcome back to Budgie Love, and today I've got another video for you. And in this video it's going to be a bit more exciting because I am going to show you what my budgies do when they're out of the cage. So my roof is removable, so I'm going to open the cage door and also take off the roof so they can stand on the roof. So here you go. So they're all at the bottom right now. Well, mostly they're all at the bottom, but hopefully they find out that the roof's open. So let's do this. So I'm opening up this. You can see them all there. I'm just gonna take off the roof. Here you go. I've taken off the roof, and hopefully they come out. So here you go. Sky is the first one to come out. Here you go. The roof's off, and probably gonna go up. Come on, Cuckoo. Are you gonna come out? I don't think mostly anyone's noticed. We've gone back in. Hopefully they come out again. There you go. Chico's out. I might have to step up the other ones, but hopefully when the other ones come out, then they'll like actually notice that the cage is open. So there you go. Everybody's out. Here you go. So some are over there on dining and some over here. Does anybody want to come out? The older ones like Lady Blue and Tiki don't really come out, but they usually come out, but hopefully they come out right now. Here you go. Now more of the budgies are out. Only Fluffy, Lady Blue and Tiki are inside, but I might take them out by hand. Here you go, they're all flying around the room. You could hear them and you could see them all flying all around the room. So can't really show you them beside the window because the light is coming there, but there they are over there. Might take out Lady Blue, might just put her up. So there's Lady Blue over there. I'll just take her up. Lady Blue, like to come up? Step up. Good girl. This is Lady Blue. Good girl. I'll probably just take out Tiki. There you go. So here are my budgies. Tiki and Fluffy aren't really outside right now, but hopefully they come out. And hopefully you like this video. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.